Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python data types for variables. So first of all, coming to the Python variable. So Python variable is a name which refers to a particular memory location with a value in the program. So for Python, variables, data types are not required. It is taken automatically based on the value given. And hence, Python is known as dynamically typed language. It means the Python interpreter automatically binds the value with its respective data type. So based on the value passed, it will take the data type. So for example, if I take a is equals to 10. So here a data type of a is taken automatically as int. Similarly, b is double quotations psi. So here b is taken automatically as str. Similarly, a 10.5. So here the data type of a is taken automatically as float. So previously a is int, now a is float. So based on the value passed, data type is taken automatically for that particular variable. So we can use type function to get the data type of a variable with a value. So it is used like this: type of variable name. Okay, so we can use it type of a, type of b. We'll get the data type. Okay, and every data type is a class in Python. So the note point goes like this: every data type is a class in Python and its value is object. Right, value means it can be something like 10. So 10 is the object, and int data type is a class in Python. Okay, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So initially I'm taking a is equals to 10. So print a value and print type of a. So we'll put comment for the remaining cases. Right. So save this program, come to the command prompt and then run Python data type example 1. So a value is 10. So the data type of a is int, which is of type class. Okay, so this value is a object of type class int. Okay, next I'll take b is equals to psi. Okay, so print b type of b. So save this program and then run. So b psi data type is str. Okay, so psi is a object of type str. Okay, where str is a class. Now I'll take a is equals to 10.5, print a type of a. Right, so save this and run. So now previously a is of type integer, now a is of type float because we have dynamically changed the value. Right, so next c true. Okay, print c and type of c. So save this and then run it. So true is the value of c and then its data type is bool, where bool is a class and true is a object. Okay, next d. So in d I'm taking character a in single quotation, print d type of d. Right, so save this and run it. So d, whose value is character a in single quotes, is a. It is of type str. So in Python we don't have char data type. Even a single character is considered to be a string class type. Next, so Python supports complex data types. For example, E 10 plus 5j, print E, type of E. So save this and then run it. So E value is 10.5j, its type is complex class type. So 10 plus 5j is a value or an object of class complex. So these are standard data types which are used in most of the programs in Python: int, str, float, bool, complex, and all these are classes. Its values are objects. So this is how data types are used in Python program dynamically based on the value given to the variable. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.